In this video, you will learn how to reach board 31 in Monopoly Go. Complete boards 1 to 30. Upgrade. Make sure to upgrade all of your landmarks on board 1 through 30 to unlock the next board. Roll. Roll the dice consistently. Use your dice often to collect cash, rent, and even event rewards. Participate. Participate in events and tournaments. Join. Join limited time events to earn extra dice rolls and money so you can speed up your progress. Upgrade. Upgrade to landmarks quickly. Spend your earnings on landmark upgrades as soon as possible to move forward faster. Collect. Collect daily rewards and free dice rolls. Log into your daily to claim bonuses that may help you to maintain and steady your progress. Unlock. Unlock and reach board 31. Once board 30 is complete, the game will automatically move you to board 31. Now you know how to reach board 31 in Monopoly Go. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.